Did you know that ranking number one on YouTube isn't just about making great videos? There is actually a science behind it. And today, I am going to reveal the secret formula that top YouTubers use to dominate search results and get millions of views. Imagine this. You upload a video and within days, it skyrockets to the top of YouTube search, pulling in thousands of views on autopilot. No ads, no paid promotions, just pure organic traffic. Sounds too good to be true. Well, it's not. That is exactly what happens when you know how to find the right keyword, optimize your content, and use YouTube's algorithm to your advantage. So, if you're tired of uploading videos that barely gets any views, stay tuned because this video is going to change the way you grow on YouTube forever. Now, here's a fun fact. Over 500 hours of videos are uploaded to YouTube every minute. That means competition is insane. But here is the good news. Most creators are making the same mistakes. And if you avoid them, you have a huge advantage. So stick to this video till the end. Now, let's dive straight into the first package, finding hidden keywords using YouTube's auto-suggest feature. Have you ever noticed that whenever you type something into YouTube search bar, it automatically suggests a bunch of keywords? Those aren't random. There is a science behind it. They are actual search terms that real people are looking for. But here is where it gets even better. Many of the suggested keywords have almost no competition. That means if you target them, your video can rank faster and attract views with zero effort. For example, instead of making a video on how to lose weight, which is super competitive, YouTube might suggest how to lose weight without exercise fast. That's a gold mine because fewer people are targeting that specific phrase. And the best part, you don't need any expensive tool to do this. Just start typing a topic in the search bar and let YouTube do the rest. But hold on, just because a keyword is suggested doesn't mean it has lots of searches. That's where Keywords Everywhere comes in. This free browser extension shows you the exact search volume of a keyword. So you don't waste time making videos on topics no one is looking for. For instance, if two similar keywords pop up, one with 500 searches per month, another with 10,000, which one would you choose? The 10,000 search keyword, right? That's the power of data-driven content creation. Now that you have a solid keyword, it's time to check if you can actually rank for it. Open YouTube, type in the keyword, and analyze the top 10 videos. Here is what you are looking for. Do these videos have high views or low views? Are they old, outdated, or still relevant? Are the thumbnails and titles strong or weak? If the top ranking video have low views, poor engagement, or outdated content, that's your opportunity. You can easily outrank them by making a better, more optimized video on the same topic. If you want to take things to the next level, tools like SEMrush and Ahrefs can help you analyze your competitors even deeper. Though they are not specifically made for YouTube, still these tools show you which keyword your competitors are ranking for, how much traffic they're getting, and even where their viewers are coming from. And guess what? If a competitor ranks for a certain keyword but hasn't fully optimized their video, you can steal their traffic by making a video that does it better. Now, here is a trick that 99% of YouTubers miss. Ranking videos on Google search. If you find keywords where forums like Quora, Reddit, or small blogs are ranking on Google, that means YouTube videos haven't fully dominated the keyword yet. And this is huge because if you create a high quality video targeting that keyword, Google will rank the video on the first page, sending you thousands of extra views. Now here is something that's even more important than keywords. Topical authority, which no YouTubers are talking about. I don't know why. YouTube loves channels that focus on a single niche. If you are making videos about fitness today, finance tomorrow, and gaming next week, YouTube won't know where to place it. But if you constantly create videos around a specific topic, YouTube rewards you by pushing your content higher in ranking. That's why niche channels grow more faster than random ones. However, be careful with YMYL, your money, your life topics like health, finance, or legal advice. YouTube is very strict about these topics because misinformation can be dangerous. If your channel isn't an authority in these areas, YouTube will likely suppress your videos, making it harder to rank. Instead, focus on topics that doesn't require professional certification like tech tutorials, travel, gaming, or productivity tips. Now, let's talk about the secret ranking factor that is even more important than keywords or topical authority, and that is watch time. Many new YouTubers focus too much on getting clicks But YouTube's algorithm doesn't just reward videos with high click-through rates. It prioritizes videos that gives viewers watching. The longer someone stays on a video, the more valuable YouTube considers it, which means it will push it to more people through recommendations and search results. So, how do you improve your watch time? It starts with storytelling. People doesn't just watch for information. They stay for engagement, curiosity, and emotional connection. A great example is Mr. Beast. He doesn't just say, I am giving away $10,000. Instead, he builds anticipation by showing the journey, the reaction, and the stakes involved, making you watch till the end. Another powerful technique is pattern interruptions. The human brain is wired to tune out repetitive content. So, if your video is just a static talking head with no changes, viewers will drop off. Instead, use cutaways, text pop-ups, visual effects, and even small sound effects to keep things dynamic. For example, in tech review channels, creators constantly switch between close-up shots of the gadget, on-screen specs, and their face to maintain engagement. And let's not forget about quick edits. Modern audiences have short attention spans, so cut out the fluff. If you have long pauses or slow intros, trim them. Start with a hook, keep sentences punchy, and use fast-paced editing styles like jump cuts or zooms to keep the energy high. Think of channels like Marcus Brownlee or Ali Abdal. They use crisp edits and smooth transitions to maintain the flow. Want to take it up a notch? Use open loops. This means teasing exciting information that's coming later. For example, instead of revealing the main tip in the first minute, say, and at the end of the video, I will share the secret technique that skyrocketed my YouTube growth. This creates curiosity and makes viewers stick around. Alright, let's do a quick recap. Use YouTube's auto-suggest to find untapped keywords, share search volume with keywords everywhere, analyze competition manually on YouTube, use SEMrush and Ahrefs to find ranking opportunities, look for Google-driven YouTube keywords for extra traffic, build topical authority in your niche, avoid YI topics unless you are an expert, master watch time and audience retention to dominate ranking. I am sure that if you follow these strategies, your videos will start ranking higher, get more views, and grow your channel faster than ever before. So, what are you waiting for? Start implementing these tips today and watch your channel explode with growth. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.